Hi, today we're going to be doing a review of Beacon, the all-in-one magnet content creator. Beacon is currently being run on promotion by AppSumo. I'll talk to you about that towards the end of the video. I'll give you a link you can go to take advantage of the current lifetime deal right now. We'll look at pricing and further details inside Beacon further in this review. So let's move on. Okay, so we're going to be doing an inside look at Beacon today, your all-in-one content magnet lead creator. And this is what the home page looks like. You can be able to, as a member of Beacon, whether you have a free account or a paid account, you'll be able to create two different types of situations, lead magnet or lead capture. So what we're going to do is there's templates. And you can there's several free templates available for you as you come down through here. Okay. If you come back here, so we've signed into Beacon, and we can create either lead magnets or opt-in forms. Now this is where you can learn about how to do these situations. The formats are here. These are text formats, and these are video formats. And if you want it, we can create in here, we can create an email template. We can create a lookbook lead magnet, a workbook lead magnet, a checklist lead magnet, an ebook lead magnet, or a resource guide lead magnet. So there's 6 ways to create a lead magnet. Okay, so we come back to the home here, lead magnets, Optin Forms, create new. Now, right now, the green, we're in lead magnets. If you want to go into the opt-in forms, it'll be a purple section. You can create a new lead magnet by coming in through here. So we'll come back here. We'll go back to lead magnets, create new. Let's do a lead magnet. Now, as you can see, you can create a lead magnet using blank. You can, whatever type of lead magnet you want to have. You can do an ebook, a checklist, a resource guide, a workbook, or an email template. Okay, so let's take an inside look at the lead magnet that I worked on creating earlier. We're going to go into edit. I want to show you what I find really neat. Now, for me, who's been challenged as an older person with this kind of thing, doing online work, this is relatively easy to work with. These are the pages that were downloaded with the template. And I picked a certain template. And then if I want to work on the cover page, that's where I'm at right now. Okay, if it's in yellow, it's where you're at right now. Let's go to the table of contents. Table of contents has not been edited yet, but I can click on each block to redo, redesign, whatever it is I want to do on here. I can change the picture out. Okay. I can go to the introduction page. You can write in your own introduction here. Okay. And then in here you want to have who you are about the author. And if you have information like this already written up from your website, like here's my website. And I already have a page that I can take information from there and put it into the Beacon editor in here and format it. It'll be taken care of. If I wanted to have a quote for inspiration, we could do that there. A chapter separator, a little summary what the chapter entails, the chapter number, chapter title if you needed that. A call to action. Okay, whatever your call to action is, if it fits your brand, you already have something that works, you have it set up, just bring it into here. And then this is the part I thought was really neat. I actually was I was able to import into here one of my blog posts. This is a blog post from my site. It totally downloaded it in here. Okay. And it's here. I mean, the whole article is here. Now, it will need to be formatted a little bit, touched up, maybe take some things out for it, but the content of writing it is already here. It's easy. It's very easy to add things to it. Now over here you have content cards. These are things you can insert into areas of here that you want. Say we'll go up to my table of contents. My table of contents, let's say I want to add a text block. Just click and drag it, and then there's text in here. I can write text in here. Okay, let's say if I wanted to do an image, put that in there, and click on that, and you can edit it over here. When it comes to blue, it means you're in the editing mode for where you're at. You can X out of it, but you can drop and drag basically. These are page settings for the page you're in now. This will help you. You're in green again, tells you're in this setting. You can make any changes here that you need to make possible. You can enlarge the fonts and change the font if you want to. Let's change it to that. If you want to save it, come up here to save it. Okay. So this editor works really well for people who aren't familiar with how to do things. It makes it much easier. If you want a header and footer, I put a header on here. Basically, we'll save what's been done here. You can go to a preview. What it's going to do is show you a preview of what your ebook looks like. There you see with the changes that I made. Okay, so I'm in the header section here, and I just showed you I installed a header on each page. So what we're going to do is we're going to save this. Okay, it's saved. I'm going to click out of this here, and then we're going to go into a preview now. We'll take a look at the preview. There you see a happy ostomy, happy person. That's at every page of the report now. You could put anything you want in there. Okay, so I wanted to show you that's another thing you can do. Okay, so now I'm going to publish my PDF as it is. I got download PDF, regular PDF, a smart PDF, a horizontal bar, inline form, content upgrade, pop-up delay. Let's do a smart PDF. What this is going to do is give you a link. We're going to publish that as that. Okay, so I just published this as a smart PDF setting. I have a link right here. I copied it. What we're going to do is put it in our browser over here. And you can just give people this link and below your description if you have a YouTube channel or in your blog, and they're going to have access to this report that you just created. Okay. Now this is pretty easy. I did a PDF a few months ago on my own for another website, and it took me about 5 days on and off of work to do it. So with Beacon, this makes it a very easy situation. So taking a look at the opt-in forms, the first step they're going to do is they walk through it as your trigger. You can edit this however you want it through here. The next step, you just go through the steps. They'll show you the pop-up that's going to be provided to your viewer. And you can edit that the way you want it. Next, they'll be sent a thank you. Will be sent to your viewer, the person that opted in. Next, there'll be a confirmation we sent to the person, and a resource link for what you're giving them is there. And then you can add a provider, and this will be set up to 5 email services currently. And then you'll come to publish. And then once you've published, there'll be a script in here, which you can put in your header in your website, and it'll set up automatically, set up for you. This whole system, the opt-in form, will be set up on your site. So we're in Beacon again. As I mentioned, I'm on a free account, but if you want to upgrade, this is the situations that you have. These are the comparative. Okay, there's a lot of restrictions on the free account versus the $49 per month or $99 per month charge. Now, if you pay these yearly, they mention over here there's 15% discount. Basically, what I checked was per year, this you're saving 2 months. This will be $490. This will be $990. So it's 10 months. If you pay in one lump sum, $990, $490 versus just $49 per month, $99 per month. Or I'm in, like I said, I'm in a free account. And that's where we can go over to AppSumo, and we'll share with the pricing on that currently. Now, if you're interested in Beacon, if you've watched this review, if you're interested, I'll have a link down in the description for AppSumo special lifetime deal purchase of $69 right now to help grow your email list. We all know if you're in internet marketing that the money's in the list. It's important to have an email list to help promote the growth of your email list. I would say a necessary tool would be to buy a lead magnet content creator as such to help you out. Now, if you liked this video today, if I gave you value and it helped you save some more money and some time and effort, and probably the biggest thing to me has always been to cut the learning curve down, then please like our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you already subscribed, and if you haven't hit the bell icon, please hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time we publish a new video to our channel. Thank you for watching, and so long.